Hey guys, Jack here for Gossel's World, and today, welcome to the little bit excited for unboxing of this one. Yep, the LikeHike HDMI cable for the SNES. So, I got this at nottsvge event for one, day 2 on a Sunday for whenever this is 2024. Paid this for £30 thanks to the deal for one here. Now, what can say about this one here? So, first one of course, if you haven't seen the Mega Drive's unboxing and testing, please check the video out for one here, and I'll put it one at the end of the screen as well. Now, anyway, what can we tell about this one with the SNES? Now, not only it works on SNES, it can work on Nintendo 64 systems, which is great news. And also works on GameCube, but there's a catch. This does not work on PAL regions. So, Japan and Americas, yes, but not PAL regions, which is very, very sad. And also, this does not work on Nintendo NES systems, that one there as well. Because this one is specifically for the SNES and Nintendo 64. It's got a 720 boost upscale for one here, so if you have whatever TV you have for one here, this one is got a 720p boost one here, which is great one here. So like I said, this is the second one. There are 2 others that one here, so hopefully will be coming up soon on my channel, so stay tuned. So anyway, let's check this unboxing out for the LikeHike cable. So let's have a look. So the first one, of course, we have here a warranty. So there we go. So that's nice if I'm able to keep it in context if anything problems at all. So lucky we have a 1-year warranty. So inside the box, so we got here. Okay, so we have an HDMI cable. So there we go. Nicely HDMI cable for it. And then here are the other ones as well. So we got... Okay, so we have... Here we are, the converter itself, that one here. So here we are, that one here. And again, we've got a good switches, so you can choose whatever ratio you want to go for. There's a 4:3 one here, or a 16:9 one here. So, of course, the HDMI cable is connected that to that. And then, of course, the USB cable for one here. So, well, I've said this before for one here. If you have a USB wall mount or a backup for your USB for your TV, so one here, whatever you're using, it works on that one. But I would say plug it into the TV is definitely the better option for it. And then, of course, all you have to do, just connect to that to here. And there you go. So that's all good to go. Okay, so anyway for it, we're going to go straight into the setup someone here to test out both of it. So we do with the SNES first, followed by the Nintendo 64 for one here, and hope we can work it with the Elgato for a test run. So anyway, see you guys in a bit. Okay everybody, so as you can see here, we got the SNES that one there ready to go. And of course, if you can see down here, so there's the cable right here. So we are going to do is going to test this, fire up this one. So anyway, let's crack it up. There it is! It works perfectly! And hopefully as well. And you can see the Elgato. What do you think? So there we go. So anyway, there we go. Oops, apologies. So now we're going to do this one. So this is a 4:3 ratio. And here's the widescreen version. So, I say once again, there's a 4:3 and a 16:9 one. So let's give a little gameplay for it. But I would say the graphically looks awesome in person, which is great. So here we go. Alright, here we go, one. But the gameplay looks really good. Really is amazing gameplay. So, but tell you what guys, that is great. Really is amazingly. I'm really happy with this one. Works out 720p boost that one here, which is awesome. There we go. Now taking the lead. But tell you what, that's a great start for one here. Works perfectly well for one here. Well, I would say I'm happy with that. So what we're going to do right now is go for Nintendo 64 that one here, test run. So, see you guys in a bit. Okay, so now I have here the Nintendo 64 is now all set and ready to go. So anyway, let's fingers crossed. Yes! It works as well! Oh, this is great, really is. So, let's get to the Elgato. So there we go. Apologies for the blurriness on here, but anyway, this is great. So we need to do. So, and again, there's a 4:3 ratio. Or a widescreen, but widescreen definitely has the kick into it. So let's give it a little bit of run. But perfect graphically, ladies and gentlemen, this is great. And it runs smoothly, perfectly with 720p, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah. This is what I'm talking about. This is what I'm very happy with this one. So, LikeHike did a tremendous job, that one here. I'm very happy to get this one here. And look at that, give me 2 seconds. But like I said, the gameplay looks awesome. No problems at all. But anyway, absolutely. Time for boost power. Anyway, yeah, I would say give it a big shout out to Sprite people. Did a tremendous job for it. And there we go. Yeah. Tell you what, that is fantastic. So, there we go. 2 for 2, ladies and gentlemen. I would say, finally, now I can do my recordings on the SNES and Nintendo 64 with the right LikeHikes for in here HDMI solutions. So, anyway, I hope you all enjoy the unboxing and testing with the LikeHike SNES and Nintendo 64. And remember, please everyone, so watch your thoughts everybody. And remember, drop a big massive like video. Drop down in comments below your thoughts on the pickup that one here, the unboxing and testings. Did you have the LikeHike HDMI cables for the SNES with Nintendo 64? Just drop down in comments below. I'll give you a reply with a thumbs up. Don't forget to click punch the subscribe button and tap the bell for notifications to see more videos very soon. Till then, this is Jack here. See ya.